Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Theta Box. So today I will show you how to add your favorite music on your Facebook story, and here I show the steps by using the Facebook mobile application because this music feature is only available in application mode, and also this method works for all Android mobile devices including iOS iPhone also. So let's go to our tutorial. So first of all, open your Facebook mobile application in your Android mobile or iOS device and then click to sign in your account details. So now my news feed is ready to use, and in this homepage section you can press that add to story option, and the best identity of that feature is it shows your profile picture. So just select it, and in top it shows some features like text, music, selfie, boomerang and poll, but you can select music and the second one, and then it shows some mp3 song names. But if you want to add your favorite song, just use the search bar and then locate your favorite song. Otherwise, you can use these categories. So here I try to select one of my favorite song. So once your selection process is completed, just press add option. And one more time you can press done. And it is located at the almost top of right side corner. And then it shows my song preview. So if you want to enlarge this preview, just tap on it and also add some effects by using these options. So once your all editing process is completed, finally press share to story option, and it is located at the bottom, and then it shows one pop-up and it describes the story only visible 24 hours. So you can remain this one message and then press OK, and it starts to processing. So be patient. So finally my Facebook story is ready. So if you want to see your story, just tap your story section. So and then you can see now my music Facebook story is successfully posted. So if you want to know your story viewers, just press this viewer option and it displays how many Facebook users are see your status. So this is the way you can easily add your favorite music to your Facebook story. For more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Theta Box, and thanks for watching.